Hello there guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how to make this amazing PowerPoint template in just a few minutes. So let's start. The first thing you have to do is subscribe to my YouTube channel, and if you like this video, make sure to like as well. So the first thing you have to do is go to this template. We're gonna open up a blank slide, and then we're just gonna insert this circle, change the background to gray. The next thing you have to do is duplicate it, change its color, then add another shape, and we're just gonna cut it in half. So let's just insert our text after merging the stuff. The next thing you have to do is just add your text. We're just gonna add the numbering. And duplicate the shapes. The next thing you have to do is just change the coloring. Duplicate the template, move the shapes out of there. Group both of the shapes and select them, and you have to just give them off transition. So yeah, this is the final result. If you like this video, make sure to hit the bell icon and subscribe to my YouTube channel.